Our tour today takes us to the Bluffs, a 55-plus gated community, located in Sebring, Florida. The Bluffs is an exclusive condominium community, located around your own private, Lake Mary Jane. You will think you have been transported to a Mediterranean village. The villas have beautiful white walls and red tiled roofs. Down your private walkway is our 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,055 square foot villa, with stunning views of the lake, and just steps from the resort-style pool and clubhouse. As you enter the villa, you will be struck by how spacious the open concept floor plan is. Every room has a beautiful view of the lake. Perfect for entertaining, the kitchen opens to the rest of the house. The well-designed kitchen is a chef's delight, with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, solid wood cabinets and a designer backsplash. Recessed lighting, and a window into a private courtyard, makes the kitchen a bright and cheery space. The dining area is just off the kitchen, with a view of the lanai, and the lake beyond. The master bedroom is a spacious 17 by 12, bright and sunny, with an oversized window, and sliding doors to the lanai, for those wonderful Florida breezes. The master bath has a tiled tub shower combination, with upgraded cabinetry, fixtures, and a marble countertop. The guest room is a comfortable 12 by 10, with a sliding door to a private courtyard. The guest bath has upgraded cabinets, fixtures, a marble top and tiled walk-in shower. The lanai has a tiled floor, and is a perfect retreat to relax. The lanai is screened, with sliding windows, so you can enjoy the view of the lake all year round. There is a resort-style pool for your private use. Your private Lake Mary Jane is stocked with fish. You can enjoy the lake with your kayak, or motorless boat. There is also a paved walking path around the lake. Thank you for watching our tour of Villa 4C at the Bluffs. If you would like to see the villa in person, please contact Joanne or Rob for a private viewing. To see additional listings, visit our website at centralfloridahomeforsale.com. Goodbye.